Hi guys, welcome back to Shambhavi Speaks. So today I'm going to show you something very different, something that I haven't done personally before. This is again a vlog, but this vlog is a DIY vlog. And I'm going to show you something very creative and artistic. At least I'm trying to do that. Creativity in terms of drawing, sketching, in terms of decorating things, that's not my best suit. But I'm going to try this out in this particular video. So stay tuned with me and I'm going to show you step by step how you can do it and how you can basically revamp an old wall. So that's what I'm going to do, and all the materials that I'll be using in the process I'm going to show you, and I have made sure that those materials are used ones. So basically, we are promoting sustainability as well. So let's get started and I'm going to show you each and everything. I just hope this works out, guys. There we go. So I'm going to try my hands on this one, guys. So as you can see, this one is pretty old and needs painting. So I thought of, revamping it in a different way. I'll be using some paper cutouts and some other materials to basically make a collage based poster style, background. So let's see what we can do here. So more or less, I'm going to use these things. You can see some old newspapers. There is this bag out there, paper bag. Then these are some artworks, old ones. And this is some cutouts that I removed from my magazines that I have already read. These are some scrapbook papers, colorful ones, which I have. And then I'll be using these sticks and to stick it on my wall. So more or less this is going to be out there. So let's get started. So I've just arranged it in a pattern, and most likely it is going to be up on the wall in this pattern. So let's see how it goes. So guys, this is the wall that I'm going to revamp today. Let's see how it goes.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around.
same video. So this is what I did today, and quite honestly I'm very happy because like I said, this is not my strong suit. This absolutely is not, but I think I did a pretty good job with the help of my beloved sister, and she actually, you know, helped me doing all of that in like a better timing. So yeah, it took me a while to you know, stick everything, but it is worthwhile, you guys, because I genuinely did not spend a penny. I had this old magazine of last year which I used, and you know, that's about it. That's how it looks. It looks very good in reality. I mean, even more that you can see on screen, it's looking even better in you know, in person. So yeah, I mean, if you guys liked it, try it at your home and let me know if how it looks like. Send that image, DM me the same on my Instagram, that is Shambhavi Speaks Again, and let me know if you want me to make more such videos. Till then, thank you for all the love that you have been giving, pouring, and I am really grateful to that. And love you all. Bye. Do like, share, comment and subscribe. Because यार subscribe करने में पैसे तो लगते हैं नहीं. कर दो ना subscribe. Bye.